Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how can you add some amazing extra details in your video just like me. As you can see on the screen, it's pretty nice. But before that, today's video is sponsored by ABC Labs Video Enhancer AI. You can download this from the description. Just import your video and then copy my settings. We'll use the 200, which will give a 4K quality, and after that select the AI model Ultra. And then in the video section increase the sharpness up to 100 and enable the deinterlacing, and in the preview you can see the difference. Okay, now I'm going to render it, and after rendering you can see the results. It will look something like this, and after adding the quality from After Effects it will show something like this. About that quality, let me show you how can you do that. As you can see, I have enhanced my clip before from Topaz. These are my settings. You can use them. It makes a nice difference. After that, create an adjustment layer and add the effect called BCC plus details. This one, really nice effect. After that, I'm going to try some settings. You guys can too play with it to find your desired quality. I tried to, but I think this is too much. I'm going to reduce to 1, and I think this is pretty nice. After that, I'm going to add another effect, but let me show you the preview. Okay, add the effect called looks, magic blue looks, and open it, and I'm going to add the effect called chromatic aberration, this one. And after that, in the options, I'm going to increase the red and cyan up to 0.5. This will give us some minor illusion of quality and sharpness. This is not much, but still it makes a bit of difference. I hope you guys like it. After that, if I show you the before and after without the layer, this will look something like this. I hope you guys like it. Let me show you the complete before and after. Really nice. I hope you guys like it. I will add this CC in my description also, and make sure to subscribe and keep watching for more. Thank you.